Good evening everyone, and pageant night event na naman po tayo ngayon. As you can see, ito po yung mga tables ng ating mga judges. And for information of everyone, we are here at Barangay Bula of General Santos City. Ayan po, kalaki yung ating gymnasium here at Barangay Bula. At ito naman po yung entrance natin, napakaganda po kasi decorated po siya ng pink flowers with chandelier and of course, shiny shimmering splending po ang ating aisle. And we use green carpet and red carpet kasi naman po rarampa po dito yung mga candidates at the same time yung mga judges and some other VIPs. So para naman po maganda yung kanilang rarampahan during this night. And ito po yung overall view ng ating stage. Napakaganda po with a big crown, LED wall and amazing lights. Ito po yung table ng ating mga judges na may lay po nila and folder score sheets po nila. So balik po natin yung overall view sa ilalim ng mga upuan natin mga judges decorated with pink fresh and amazing flowers. So yan po yung overall venue ng ating Barangay Bula. So sa mga nananalo, good luck and thank you and God bless everyone. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.